Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make Firefox default browser in Windows 11. So the best way for us to do that one is by opening your Google or your Firefox rather, and then from here we are going to head over to the settings, and then let's open settings once again. And now that we are here, just go ahead and type here default. Once you do that, you should be able to see this one right here. Firefox is not your default browser, so we are going to press make default, and then we should be popped up, or this thing should be popping up. And then from here, what you are going to do is click set as default. There you go. And yeah, you have the option also to change the others here. So if you are opening PDF file, for example, right now it's set to Google Chrome, but you can definitely change this to Firefox. So just click that one over there and then choose Firefox and then set default. So yeah, you can do the others down here below as well. That is basically how you are going to get this done, everybody. Congratulations. I hope you have a good day.